Dear students, in the last class we learnt about the electronic interpretation of orientating influence. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ in the ortho, meta and para position in the Bunsen ring. Here in that you have to know about that not only single electrophile is substituted, other electrophile is also substituted in that same Bunsen ring. In that there are two ways we are explaining the electron interpretation. Here electron donating groups and electron withdrawing groups. Okay, first one is electronic interpretation of orientating influence of electron donating group. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ that should be explained on the basis of ortho-para in two ways, ortho-para position and meta position. Okay, in the ortho-para directing group, here electron donating group orient the second electrophile to ortho and para position. Lastly I was explained you there are two electrophiles are present in that Bunsen ring. Here one electrophile that is should present on this position, it is not orient. The second electrophile is oriented at ortho and para position. Aita, this is example is methyl chloro and NH2 group, etc. Based on this will be explained on the based on the resonance structure. This is the resonance structure. Here why the electron direct and electrons directing group at ortho and para position. Here you have to see here negative charges should be comes at ortho and para position, not in the meta position. Okay, when it gets a negative charge, this is electron rich species. Okay, when electron rich species is present, that should be explained on the stability of intermediate carbocation. When electrophile is substituted in the ortho position, okay, here the electron which is attached at directly at ortho and a para position, because ortho and para position they have negative charge, electron rich species. That electron rich species, this electrophile is electron less species, so that's why this is directly attached to electron rich species. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕೇಟಯೋನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಬಿಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, this is the meta position. Here this is the less electronic species. Okay, meta position also less electronic species. This electrophile is also less electronic species, so that's why this meta position gave the only secondary carbocation. So comparing ortho, para and meta position, ortho and para positions gave a one tertiary carbocation, but meta position gave a all secondary carbocation. So that's why tertiary is more stable than secondary. Okay, in the electron donating group. Next, second one is, this is all about the electron donating group. Second one is electron withdrawing group is there. Here we have to know about the electron withdrawing group. Second one, electron withdrawing group. Okay, it means electron interpretation of orientating influence of electron withdrawing groups. Here first it will be mainly based on electron withdrawing means they will be accept the electron from the Bunsen ring. Do you get it? The groups that should be attached to the Bunsen ring, that group accept the electron, withdraws the electron from the Bunsen ring. In that electron donating group means they donate the electron to the Bunsen ring. Do you get it? Okay, here first ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೇಯ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡುವಂಥದ್ದು ಮೆಟಾ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್. In the electron withdrawing group, first one is meta directing group. Here they are considered meta directing group. Okay, in the meta directing group, electron withdrawing group orient the second electrophile. Here also we have to consider the second electrophile to meta position. Okay, to meta position, then they are called as a meta directing orientation. Okay, in that you have to know about that electron withdrawing groups. It means the electron withdrawing groups, it should be second electrophile that is oriented. Okay, first electrophile orient ಆಗಲ್ಲ, second electrophile orient ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, same as it is in the electron donating group. Okay, in that example is NO2, CHO, COOH, CN, etc. Okay, in that the meta directing nature should be explained in two ways. Okay, meta directing nature of these groups can be explained in two ways. First one is based on resonance structure. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನಲ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತೋ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ರೆಸೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋಫೈಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಟ್ ದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಸು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು know about that. This is the structure of benzene and this is C. Okay, this is double bond. jaga kadme aayate. Here I am writing benzaldehyde you are taking. Okay, aldehyde group is there, C double bond O H. Okay, here this bond goes to here. Okay, next this will comes with oxygen atom. Do you get it? This will comes at oxygen atom. So then here you have to know about that. ಫಸ್ಟು ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ರೆಸೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಆಟಮ್, ದಿಸ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಸಿ, oxygen minus charges. It gets a minus charge because this double bond should goes to the oxygen, then H. So this carbon atom should carry a positive charge. Okay, idralli positive charge barutte. Then this bond will goes here. Next is here, this carries a positive charge, double bond C, O minus H. Okay, next this will comes here. Oh sorry, bond ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಸಾರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, then the resonating structure is double bond C, O minus H. This one, it carries positive charge. Here you have to carefully observe that in the electron withdrawing group, ortho and para position gets a negative charge. Okay, because ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇದ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಗೋಸ್ ಆನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಸ್. But here in the electron withdrawing group, ortho and para position. Okay, ortho and para position. ಸಾರಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನು ತಪ್ಪು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಆರ್ಥೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್. ಓಕೆ, ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಟಮ್. ದ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಯೆಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಇದು CHO. This CHO is a strong electronegative atom and it is in conjugation with benzene ring. Conjugate ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ವಾ, ಕಾಂಜುಗೇಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಮೂವಬಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ರಿಂಗ್ ಸುತ್ತ ಡಿಲೋಕಲೈಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ pulled from the benzene ring. Here the electrons present on the benzene ring is pulled from the benzene ring, so it gets a positive charge. ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪುಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗಿಂದ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಯಿತಾ. ಈ ಮೋರ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರೋನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು CHO ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, CHO ಕಡೆಗೆ ಮೂವ್ ಆದಾಗ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟು ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ. ಬೆನ್ಸಿನ್ ರಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್ಸು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೆನ್ಸಿಟಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ becomes the only position which is electron rich species. ಆಯಿತಾ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ರಿಚ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಇಂದೆದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋದಾದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ. ಬಟ್ ಮೆಟಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ. ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೂ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಗೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಡೊನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಥೋ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಯಾರಾ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ನು, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ electron withdrawing group it gets a positive charge, and that meta position is the electron rich species. So the meta position is more stable in the presence of electron withdrawing group. Okay, this is based on resonance. Next is based on second way is based on the stability of intermediate carbocation. Okay, it means which carbocation is formed here. First, this is here they are taking nitro group oxygen. This will get a minus charge, this will get a positive charge because it donates a lone pair of electron. It has 4 bond pair. Okay, plus 1 electrophile is there. This will formed with electrophile, it gives, and here it forms this will like this He. Okay, this carries the positive charge. This is N, double bond O minus plus. Okay, and this positive and this bond will goes to here, and it forms same as it is electron donating group ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತಾ. ಪ್ಲಸ್ HEN double bond O minus plus. Next this will comes here, HEN double bond O minus plus. Okay, this carries the positive charge. This is highly unstable. Okay, highly unstable means it gives a primary carbocation, and this is the secondary carbocation, and this is also secondary carbocation. In that first resonating structure is what? Highly unstable. This is all about ortho position. Okay, and then we move on to the para position. In that this will be the N double bond O. Okay, you have to carry the minus charge and positive charge also, plus electrophile. This is ortho position and this is para position. This gives N double bond O minus plus, it carries a positive charge H E. Okay, this bond will comes here, so then it carries a positive charge. This is secondary carbocation. It carries positive charge N double bond O minus plus charge H E. This is highly unstable because it has a high energy. Okay, this group is highly unstable because it has a high energy. Then it is goes here, this bond goes here, it gives one, two, H E N double bond O minus plus charge. Okay, this is also secondary carbocation. This is all about the para position. And then in the meta position, here 2, 3 N double bond O minus plus E plus, it gives this bond will goes here, it gives the electrophile should be attached at the which position? Meta position. Okay, so it carries a positive charge. This is N double bond O minus plus, and this will comes here, it gives here. You have to carefully observe the positive charge will be comes at which position? Ortho and para position. Okay, so sorry, this will comes here H E N double bond O minus plus charge, and then this bond will comes here. So the final resonating structure is, it carries positive charge H E N double bond O minus plus charge. Okay, this is the meta position, this is the ortho position, and this is the para position. In that you have to carefully observe that this is the secondary carbocation, this is the secondary carbocation, this is also secondary carbocation. Here you have to know about that in ortho and para positions. It means here in ortho and para positions, one carbocation is generated where positive charges are present on adjacent carbon and nitrogen atoms. Here you have to know about that why the ortho and para position are highly unstable. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡಿ, one carbocation is generated where positive charges are present on carbon and nitrogen adjacent atom. ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತು ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಡ್ಜಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಟಮ್ ಹತ್ರನೇ ಕಾರ್ಬೋಕೇಟಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಡು ಯು ಗೆಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ this positive charge that is near to carbon and nitrogen, but here it does not near to nitrogen. Okay, here also does not near to nitrogen, but this carbon atom near to nitrogen, it means adjacent to nitrogen, so it carries a positive charge, so it is highly unstable. But in the para position also, first you have to see here, this is not adjacent to nitrogen atom, but this carbon atom carries a positive charge. It is adjacent to nitrogen atom, so it is unstable. So this is also here, this will carry a positive charge. This is also, this is not a adjacent to nitrogen atom, so this is highly unstable. But in the meta position, you have to see here, there is no carbon atom. It means this carbon atom should not contain a positive charge. Okay, so that's why therefore the meta attack takes place when electron withdrawing group is present in the benzene ring. Gotaita why the meta position should be takes place in the electron withdrawing group. Okay, because one of the carbon atom should contains the positive charge. That carbon atom is adjacent to the nitrogen atom. Okay, but in the meta position that should not be formed. Do you get it? This is all about the electron withdrawing group. This is electron withdrawing group. Once again I am explaining you, there will be electronic interpretation of orientation should be takes place in the two ways, electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. And in that electronic interpretation of electron donating group means, first they are explaining ortho and para position. Here one of the electrophile should be directly attached on the benzene ring. That should be explained on the basis of resonance structure. This is the resonance structure of this compound, and here negative charges is comes at ortho and para position because they have a electron rich species. Here based on the stability of the intermediate carbocation explaining. First one is ortho position. This is the ortho position, and here the positive charge is also at meta position because meta position is the less electronic species. And here also this is the para position and this is the meta position. In comparing ortho, meta, para position by using electron donating group, the meta position is less stable compared to ortho and para position. Okay, and in the electron withdrawing group, meta directing group is more stable compared to ortho and para position. This is the that resonance structure. In the comparing of ortho, meta, para position, in ortho and para position they have a positive charge on the carbon atom that is adjacent to the next nitrogen atom, but in the meta position it does not formed like that. Okay, this is all about the electron interpretation. They will ask in your exams, very important. Okay, it mainly 2 or 3 marks questions will come arise like that. Explain the general mechanism or other examples mechanism for electrophilic substitution reaction, and next explain the ortho and para orientating influence of. It means they gave a other example. If they gave CH3, okay, it is not an electron withdrawing group, electron donating group CH3 NH2 or Cl, that should be called it as a electron donating group. If in case they will ask like this, you have to know about that is electron donating group. If they gave directly electron donating group, you can write it, but in the instead of electron donating group they gave a examples. Do you get it? Thank you, one and all.